Poul's Kitchen is Chef Poul. With me today, Chef Alex.
Hello.
Amy would be here. She sends her regards, but she's in bed sleeping because she worked a grave shift. So today we're making the famous D sauce on request for Jess. Jess wanted us to try her famous recipe. Apparently this is 5-star. This is great. This is going to be awesome. Jess, I hope I do you proud. I've got 5 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to put in a little drop of extra virgin olive oil. Not too much. I'm going to put a dash of apple cider vinegar. We're putting this in a food processor because this should be a little bit easier to do. And then I'm going to put a little tagine in here. And then, Chef Amy does not need to know this part. We're going to put some chipotle pepper in here. Just a little bit. Yes, I really hope I do you proud on this one. We really want to make this really tasty the way that you make your D sauce. At least I'm assuming this is how you do it. Then you can tell me if I did a good job or not. So I'm going to put a bunch of mayonnaise in here. So apparently, according to Jess, this is really good for vegetables.
Like as a dip.
What's that?
Like as a dip for vegetables.
Yeah, dip for vegetables. And then we're going to put some hoisin sauce in here. This is some garlic hoisin sauce. And then we're going to put a little bit of yellow mustard. Don't need a whole lot, I don't think. This is not in her recipe, but this is some maram, some Chinese cooking sweet wine. I'm going to put a dash in there of that. I'm not going to put any pepper in there, or any salt, sorry, don't need that. But I do like pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of lime. And I'm going to put a little bit of lemon. That's going to be it. Just a little bit of dipping sauce for your veggies. According to Jess, this is the best thing going. So we'll take Jess's word for it. I like trying my users' recipes. Sometimes they're really good. And Jess is one of our favorite users. Always looking out for everybody, making sure they have the best recipes on hand. Jess is really super awesome that way. So I've got that on here, and we're going to put this in place. Shout out to Dennis right now. He's off to Mexico enjoying the sun while we're suffering the cold of the winter. So this is Jess's famous D sauce. So let's see how this actually tastes. Actually, really good. Really good, actually. So here it is, our D sauce. I hope you like it. Try it sometime. Let us know what you think. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. And as always, let's make cooking great again.